23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I make fried pickles. You're going to need a frying pan, some oil or Crisco, some pickles, and some chicken fry. This is the stuff that comes in a bag. You can use just flour, but just season it really well, otherwise it's not going to taste right. So I'm just going to turn my burner on, turn that on high, put my oil in, and we're going to wait for that to get hot. So you're also going to need a plate. I just have like a plastic plate with paper towel on it to collect some of the oil, and then something like this to scoop the pickles out, and then the oil strains out, and you'll see how I do that. So I let that warm up. I put it on high until I actually start cooking. Okay, so all you do is you take a pickle, put it in the fry, shake it, make sure it's coated, take it out nice and coated, and just pop it in the fryer. I'm going to wait a little bit because I don't think the oil was really that hot, because it would have been like super sizzling already. Take a pickle, shake that up. And I use the Louisiana chicken fry. I just keep popping these in. And you just leave them in there until they're like golden brown. They'll be nice and crispy. Just make sure you don't put them on top of each other. That's the most important. So then I'm just going to go in and flip some of these. Just be really careful. It's hot. It should be sizzling like this. That's how you know it's really cooking. Like that. That's what you're looking for. And then I just put them on the plate. Just gonna shake them off. Shake off as much oil as you can, so that way they are super crispy. And that's it. Fried pickles. Alright, if you like videos like this, give this a thumbs up, comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave.
Out of them, gone. How I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a